Okay, Jim here. Robot Arena 2.1 DSL. Okay, this is how I constructed my Ajax robot for this particular league. And you'll see it just has normal components, burst motors, fast motors, DSL parts, beater bars, piglet motors, techno-destructo wheels. Now those are important to use. They really are, in my opinion. Give you a great grip, real control. With the proper motors and build, you can turn on a dime. Also, this robot is designed not to go back to the repair shop during tournaments. That's my new theme, no repairs. If you can't make all 3 battles or 4 or whatever the hell it is, then oh well. But this is the way I'm going to play from now on. No repair at tournament mode. This is how I set the thing up here. You'll note that it has a green AI in the middle of it. That's because this bot is also AI'd and is out there in the mix. I hope I don't run into it during one of these tournaments. I probably will though. Just have to outmaneuver it. Okay, Firestorm flippers. I use those for self-riding. They're not very good for flipping other robots. So they're not that strong. So they don't have a great battery pack. But they will work. And here we go. My first tournament with no repairs. Ouch. See, this design gets right underneath the enemy. I mean, right under. They have a hard time flipping me in the air. Oh, that bot right there, that deadbeat bot, that thing's strong, hard to beat. It has titanium sheets under it. Whoa! See what I mean about those wheels? Great control. Okay, we're doing some damage to this dog here. Okay, the beater bars, I use that configuration. I went through many different types of weapons, and they always break. So I found that the bars don't seem to break so readily. Oh, I employed the flippers there. I don't want to take too much damage from this guy, because I have to fight another battle here, and no repair. Okay, we're starting to cut him up pretty good here. A lot of guys back at Game Tech Mods didn't like these titanium half sheets. They called them cheat sheets, and they're pretty strong. Okay. I kind of wanted to kick him off the edge, but he just wouldn't go. Alright, pretty good fight. Okay, there's some damage here and there. But we're not going to repair any of it. Okay, here we go. Number 2. He can't self-right. And he's too slow to fight. And I think the other guy jumped off the edge of the world here. Where he went. Oh well. I like that. Good hit. Okay. The next tournament's going to be a bit different from this. One-on-one. I think what I'm going to do is demonstrate this machine's ability to simply get under the other machines. They'll either ride up on it or it'll go under them. I.e., if they come to me, they'll ride right up on the front of my flipper arrangement. Let's begin. See what I mean? Gave me an idea for the next couple fights. He's still dangerous. You don't want to let him get under you because he can hurt you bad, destroy you. This thing used to give me nothing but trouble, this version of Emergency. There's a version of this machine Ajax back at Game Tech Mods languishing in my forlorn showcase. Oh well. I had some fun there. Most, well, they're good people, some of them. Okay. No repairs. There's really not too much damage here. I figure this is a new way of playing the game. It adds a new dimension. No repairs.
May the strongest rod win.
Look at that.
The match is over.
That almost reminds me of the what was a Game Boy version of this, where they would do the same thing and jump right into the pit one after the other.
And we're off.
Now that's just hilarious. I wonder how many flips he did. About what, 4 or 5? Some kind of record. And yeah, there's not enough damage to even worry about. Okay, here we go. Last fight.
Here we go.
And the dog goes over the side too. That's kind of cool. Flippers, I only design these things really for self-riding, but when you drive the machine, they add another aspect. The AI version doesn't use them like this. It just uses them for self-riding. And there we are. Game Tech mods and all that. This is a DSL version 2.1. Game Tech mods download. And thanks for watching. Have a good day.